HubSpot Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we'll be diving into the HubSpot Affiliate Program and my experience using it. If you're interested in signing up or learning more, all the relevant links are added to the description below. HubSpot is one of the most well-known names in the world of marketing and CRM, offering software solutions to help businesses with inbound marketing, sales automation, and customer service. Their affiliate program allows marketers, bloggers, and influencers to promote their powerful suite of tools and earn a commission for each successful referral. The HubSpot affiliate program stands out for its generous commissions and long-term earning potential. Affiliates can earn up to $1,000 per sale, depending on the product that's purchased, with commission rates varying across their offerings, including HubSpot's Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, and CMS Hub. This is a great program if you're targeting business owners, marketers, and entrepreneurs who need comprehensive tools to streamline their processes. What's great about this program is that HubSpot provides a variety of marketing assets, from banners to email templates and affiliate links. Affiliates get real-time tracking, and the cookie window is 90 days, meaning you can earn commissions from leads that convert within 3 months of clicking your link. HubSpot also provides detailed analytics, making it easy to monitor your performance and optimize your efforts. However, one of the challenges is that HubSpot's pricing can be on the higher end, which means you'll want to target an audience that already has a business or marketing need. The program is best suited for professional bloggers, consultants, or digital marketers who have an established online presence and can reach those actively seeking solutions for scaling their businesses. In conclusion, the HubSpot affiliate program offers excellent earning potential, a trusted brand, and high-value products. It's a great opportunity if you're in the B2B or marketing space, and with the resources HubSpot provides, you'll have everything you need to succeed. If you're interested, don't forget to check the links in the description and start earning today.